Alright, first one of the day. What is it, a little rock bass? Yep, little rock bass followed the leech. We know they're in here. There you go. Little rock bass. There you go, a little rock bass on the leech. There we go. A decent sized one, picking up the leech. Right there, on the leech. Alright, that's a good way to start. Decent sized one. About normal for here. I like it. Let's get him back in the water. Alright, so right here, there's a nice little current. Right before it, there's a good little deep pocket here. I don't know if you can see that. Right on the other side of this log. I'll cast right into it. Pull this loop out because I can't cast this morning. See if we can't get something to bite over here. There may be a fish on now. I got some slot. Yep. There he is. Right where the smallmouth are supposed to be. Deep pockets with current. Come on now. I'm trying to free you. There he is. Got one. Alright. Ooh, we had a bigger brother right beside him too. Alright, so they're bigger than the other day, so that's a good sign. So maybe this leech is targeting the bigger smallmouth. So let's keep going. So not too bad. Been out here about 30 minutes, got a few fish. Just keep working our way down. There's a deep hole up here I really want to throw this leech in. So I'll spend a couple minutes here at this little deep pocket, and then I'm gonna keep on going because there's a spot that I know that has some big bass, but I've yet to be able to get them interested in anything. I'd like this leech to come through for me. This leech definitely weeds out the little ones. Well, that must be deeper than I thought. I never felt it hit the bottom. There we go. Yeah, he's littler than I thought he was going to be, but still, glad to get one. There he is. So sitting right over there in that deep pocket, right by that root. As soon as I sweeped it by there, he nailed it. Yeah, got a little smallie over there in the pocket. Here we go. This looks like such a good place for fish. There we go. You got it deep. Chill out, please, so I can grab you. Oh. Got one right here at the bank. He didn't stay hooked though. There he is. Can't hold on to him. You get a little rock bass. Alright. So, been a minute. But look at that. You think you wanted that leech? He got the whole thing in his mouth. And they get smart. There we go. Now the rock bass want it. Yep, got another one. Alright, so they're hiding underneath that root, and then when you swim it by them, they're picking it up. So normally they want me to, they're picking it up off the bottom. This time I'm swimming it beside them and they're catching it. So maybe that's why I'm missing some fish. I need to change up my tactics a little bit. Little bitty guy picked it up. Didn't even realize he had it. Just lost contact with the bottom. That's how you can tell there's one on there. Alright. So again, in the current, just casting it out there, letting them pick it up. Dang. I'm trying to get hooked. Just go ahead and let him go. Alright, the little ones are hitting again. Alright, that's all I got. That's so far on the Nikko leech. I like it. I'd like to get it out on a bigger body of water with a river. See how it does there. But as far as so far, it's a close second to the Hellgrammite. I still think I prefer the Hellgrammite, but I'm not going to give up on it yet because it did target some bigger fish. It weeded out some of the smaller ones biting. So there is that. But overall, I liked it. So thanks for watching, and hope to see you again soon. Thanks.